are in Bel Air.
Bel Air, do not get it twisted. We are the Fresh Prince and the Fresh Queen of Bel Air right
All
now.
right.
You know what I'm saying? So look, we are here at an exclusive sneak peek for you guys. We are at a $25 million property, all right? This house is absolutely incredible, and we're linking up with the #1 real estate broker in California, Mr. Aaron Kirmans himself.
You guys want to tour this property with us?
Look, come on in. This is the first of many property spotlights. So let's go meet Aaron and take a look at this house.
Hi.
Hi, how are you? I feel like I want to hug you. I feel like I want to hug you.
Let's hug. I'm a hugger.
I'm a hugger. I'll
We are
hug you
huggers, right now.
I'll hug you too. How are you?
How's it going?
Thank you for having us.
Of course.
We're
New
here.
York, Atlanta.
We in Bel Air.
We're in
You're in Bel Air. You're in Bel Air.
I'm the Fresh Prince of Bel Air now.
You are. But like we
And I'm
haven't
the
heard that
Fresh
before. Like we haven't heard that one before. Real creative. So super creative. There.
Love it, love it. So tell us about this beautiful home.
Of course, well, welcome. This is actually, you guys are really the first people to be in this house.
Wow.
It's not launched, it's not listed, and we've had no press on it yet. So there you go.
Thank you for the exclusive.
Thank you for the
Of course,
exclusive.
of course. You're exposed 25 million, 15,000 square feet, 9 bedrooms, 13 baths.
Wow.
And it is awesome. Love the giraffe.
Love it.
Now this is different. You don't
This
see
is
giraffes
different.
when you walk in the house.
It's a greeting.
I mean, I could do without it because I'm already kind of short and it really makes me feel even shorter, but I love the artistic moment.
Yes.
And you obviously have this amazing, gorgeous house, top quality, beautiful marble. I love houses that have great texture.
Yes.
So you have this great marble bar. I love the wood. And you can really just tell the difference between a good quality and not. And
Absolutely.
This house is like quality.
Very much so.
Absolutely.
It's,
This
it's
is
very much
beautiful.
so high quality.
Yeah.
To be in this $25 million home, I didn't expect anything less of you. Okay.
Oh, well, you know, next time, you guys are my new favorites. We're going to be showing you a bunch of great houses.
I
So
love
I
it.
appreciate
You
I love
guys
it.
have to come out all the time. But what's awesome about this house is obviously the indoor-outdoor flow. You have these great walls of glass. You're here in sunny LA on a non-sunny day. I am so sorry.
It's okay.
It's okay.
We can feel the sun
You
because
feel
the light is coming from the
Feel
property.
this- hey, you can take off the jacket and lay out.
Yes.
There you go. Obviously, you have a beautiful backyard, great infinity pool, sculpture,
Wow.
fire pits. You got it all out here.
How many fire pits? Just these two right here?
You have 2 over there. I love the pizza oven. I cannot have one of those in my house because I will get fat.
Wow.
So I stay away from the pizza oven, but this is obviously
So wait,
like
hold
an
on. That's a
entertainer's-
dual pizza oven.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
I've never seen a dual pizza oven before.
Oh, really?
No.
Never.
No.
Never.
Listen, you're Fresh Prince of Bel Air. There you go.
That's what you get for the French
I need
Prince
this
of
in my
Bel-Air.
backyard. Now, this is incredible. I love the
incredible.
indoor-outdoor vibe.
Yeah.
This is very Cali.
Very Cali, very Cali, and yeah, we sell a lot of these houses. People love modern.
Of course.
You know, the weather and the vibe just makes it perfect for this. Obviously, gorgeous formal dining.
Absolutely.
Great chandelier, beautiful fireplace, and my personal favorite of any given house. We love wine rooms.
Wow. Look at this
Wow,
wine
this
room.
is incredible.
We love wine in general. You guys drink wine?
We love wine.
We love
We
wine.
love wine. We love
Well,
wine.
we'll have to have a glass after the tour.
Absolutely.
Obviously, you have this gorgeous kitchen,
Wow.
beautiful den. Obviously, everything is top of the line. You know, you have the Miele. I love the floating marble. I love the cabinets, all imported from Italy.
Wow.
You have
Wow, look at
multiple Mieles, which we love. I can't live without this. This is like one of my favorites, the coffee maker.
Absolutely.
Definitely need the coffee.
Definitely need the coffee, and as you can tell,
This is
developer-
definitely a chef's kitchen here.
This
Yes.
is a chef's kitchen. for
Absolutely.
sure.
It's a chef's dream.
This is a chef's dream. Do you guys cook? I don't.
No, I can make some breakfast.
You can make some breakfast.
I can make a couple of eggs.
So I'm a grill guy.
Okay.
So give me a barbecue grill. I'll tear some meat up.
So basically, this kitchen is going to go to waste on the three of us.
Absolutely, decoration only.
Which is really a shame, but at any rate, it'll keep it looking beautiful and fresh and clean.
Well, if you got 25 million to spend, you're gonna have a chef.
Yeah, not always. Sometimes.
Really?
Yeah, 25.
They cook.
Yeah, they cook.
Okay.
Sometimes.
Okay.
To each their own, right? Do you guys want to go upstairs or downstairs?
I think I want to see. I have to see the owner's suite.
All right,
Take me
let's go upstairs.
Let's take you to the
'Cause I
primary.
know
We have a
that
lot
is
of doors
incredible.
right here. These are like
A lot of doors. You have powder bathrooms.
Okay.
So do you have elevator? I'm opening the wrong door.
Oh wow.
Wow.
That's the elevator there.
Beautiful.
You have 2 powder baths. It takes you to all 3 levels.
Wow.
And of course, when you have this kind of square footage, elevators are always a great thing.
incredible.
Scale is incredible, obviously. So, I think it's great when people do like the right texture on houses.
Yes.
A lot of modern houses can feel cold.
Absolutely.
But not this one. You have like the beautiful wood panel, wood floor,
Yes.
marble. I love the playful chandeliers over there.
very
beautiful.
warm.
Yeah,
Very inviting.
a lot of people take their houses too seriously, so I
Yeah.
love when they're a little playful and a little fun. This is the primary suite. So
Wow.
you have this beautiful sitting area.
Gorgeous. This is incredible.
Man.
And by the way, look at that beautiful tree. That's
Yes.
a gorgeous
We,
oak tree.
we were just saying this is
talking
a
about
beautiful
that.
tree.
I said it looked like the Mr. Miyagi tree.
I'm gonna write that in my description.
As you should.
That's a perfect description. You have this beautiful master here.
Oh my lord.
Wow.
Amazing
Gorgeous.
deck,
Man.
fireplace, overlooking the
the-
gorgeous grounds.
Oh my God.
No, this is different. This is incredible.
The indoor-outdoor living space that you guys have in California is just so incredible.
Are you gonna move out here?
Yes.
Perfect.
Hell, I might buy this.
I'm moving out here. I'm joining your team.
I love it.
And that's
I love it. It would be an honor. It would be an honor.
What is this? About 1,000 square feet of,
Yeah, I'd
of
estimate.
outdoor living space?
Yeah.
For your master?
Yeah.
Yes.
Sick, no?
This is sick. With the fire pit?
Yep.
Man.
And this bathroom is to die for as well. It's gorgeous.
Look
bath.
at this bathroom.
Yeah.
Indoor,
Beautiful.
indoor, outdoor living
Indoor,
space.
outdoor, but like look at the beautiful marble.
Oh my
look at the
goodness.
lighting.
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous. Look at the tub. It's
Look at this
stunning.
tub. It's stunning.
Exactly. Showers are nice and we see a lot of beautiful ones. I just think this one is super special. I just think it's like a work of art.
It does look like a work of art. Listen, look
Look
at
at
the
these
rain
shower
shower
heads.
head. But this
That is some
elongated
serious
bench.
water right
That
there.
is some serious water.
There is
for
no
sure.
reason not to be very clean in that shower.
That's a fact.
And this elongated bench is just giving me all of the feels.
beautiful.
What is this? Gold fixtures? Bronze?
Yeah, I think it's bronze.
Bronze.
Oh man. I mean, this looks so clean. You could have a party in the shower.
You can.
You could definitely have a party in here. Man,
This closet is amazing.
Beautiful,
Man.
beautiful cabinet, beautiful lighting.
this looks like Bloomingdale's in here.
It does. It
Better
feels
than
like
Bloomingdale. Come on, this is
This
like
is better
party.
than that. This is a
Let
work
me
of art.
not downgrade this. This looks like Birdolph in here. This
There
is,
you
Now,
go.
this is Hermes.
This is Hermes, yeah.
Look at this.
Yes, this is
Oh,
incredible.
this is
Not that we have an
incredible.
issue with Bloomingdale's. Bloomingdale's is great. We love Bloomingdale's.
But this,
Definitely.
I mean, do we see that this is leather?
This is leather.
This is leather.
Are you a toucher? So a lot of
I
people,
am.
Oh,
so a lot of people like to touch things.
When you touch it, you can feel it. You can definitely feel the difference. This is definitely Hermes leather.
Oh my god.
Oh my God.
I think I'm
Incredible.
going to move to Cali now.
Me too.
Are you ready for this?
This
Yes.
is amazing.
I love this whole space.
yeah.
Wow.
You have this amazing little formal area with a bar. You have an incredible theater game room, which is
Wow.
right here. All top of the line, everything. I love the fact that it's
Oh
kind
my
of
God.
combined as both.
Wow.
I love this.
Yeah, it's pretty, isn't it?
Wow. This is incredible.
Beautiful, no?
This is so beautiful.
This is a theater room.
Yeah, this is a theater room. It's relaxing. You can have game time here. Yeah.
Do you guys know how to play?
Absolutely.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Okay, so I don't, so I'm gonna
Leave it alone.
leave that
Leave it
alone.
alone.
We'll keep it as a design.
But no, this is beautiful.
Really great. You get to watch a movie, work out, make yourself look beautiful, make yourself look ugly, all
this,
in
a
the
spa?
same spot. You have a beautiful spa, wet shower, dry
Wow.
Oh man.
Spa.
Incredible.
sauna. And
Look
yeah.
at the gym. Stay in shape and then go get your hair done.
Oh yeah. This is a gym.
This
Yes.
is the gym.
This is a gym.
This is great.
Yeah.
And I love like the layout.
Yeah, it's beautiful now.
Yeah, nah, this is top notch.
So that's the tour.
Well, thank you so much for taking us on the tour of this beautiful property.
Of course.
We have leather walls in the closet, suede
walls in the theater room.
In the theater room. And we have this beautiful, I don't even know what this is. I don't even know, but this is amazing.
It's a work of art.
Work of art.
It's a work of art. That's what it is.
And by the way, the house actually has a lot of great art as well.
I see that.
And what you see comes with the house. So we're selling it furnished, minus art, and we're ready for all your fancy clients.
Well, let me work on my referral database.
Look, so y'all tap in with Aaron if you want to get information about this house. Aaron, tell them how to get some more information.
Perfect. If you reach at aaron@aaronkirman.com or Instagram Aaron Kirman, or I'm pretty easy to find.
Look,
It's
like we
easy to
said,
find.
this was a sneak peek. You guys are getting a first look at this magnificent home. Bring your money. We take Bitcoin too.
They take Bitcoin. I like the cash. I want the cash. You guys again.
Pay us in pounds too.
I will accept foreign cash. Though. Foreign's good.
Foreign cash is good. This is an incredible property. It's been such a pleasure, you showing us around. Thank you so much for your hospitality.
Of course. Welcome, guys.
And if you're looking for a $25 million property, I mean, what more can you ask for?
Absolutely. This is phenomenal, y'all. So tap in, stay tuned. We're going to have a great conversation with Aaron. So tap in. Peace.
Talk to you later.